In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the union symbol in Microsoft Word. The union symbol, which looks like a capital U with a small overlapping curve, is often used in mathematics to represent the union of two sets. Inserting it in Word can be done in several ways, and I'll walk you through the easiest and most reliable methods. To start, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the union symbol to appear. One of the simplest ways to insert the symbol is by using the Insert tab. Click on Insert, then select Symbol from the menu and choose More Symbols. In the Symbol dialog box, set the font to a common option like Times New Roman or Cambria, then scroll through the list until you find the union symbol. Once located, click Insert and the symbol will appear in your document exactly where your cursor is positioned. Another method is to use the keyboard shortcut if you frequently need the union symbol. While Word does not have a default shortcut for this specific symbol, you can create your own custom shortcut. In the Symbol dialog box, select the union symbol and then click on Shortcut key. Enter a combination that is easy to remember, such as Alt plus U, and assign it. From that point forward, pressing your shortcut will insert the union symbol instantly. For quick access, you may also copy the union symbol from another document or a reliable online source and paste it directly into Word. Once pasted, it will behave like any other character and can be resized or formatted as needed. Finally, remember that the union symbol can be customized just like normal text. You can change its font, size, or color to match the style of your document. This ensures that your mathematical notation looks professional and is consistent with the rest of your content. And that's it! You now know several ways to insert the union symbol in Microsoft Word, using the Symbol menu, Equation feature, keyboard shortcuts, or copy and paste. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.